In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to build an app using Replit AI. We'll start by heading to Replit's homepage. Once you're there, look for the built-in AI chat panel. This is where you'll describe the app you want to create. Type a clear prompt that captures your idea, like the kind of app, its main features, and any style or technology preferences you care about. The more specific you are, the better the AI can scaffold your project. If you're not sure what to say, think in terms of user goals, pages, or screens you want, and any must-have components. Under the chat area, you'll see options to choose the platform or environment for your project. Select the one that fits your idea. For example, a web app template if you're building something that runs in the browser. Then click Start. Replit AI will generate a new project for you based on your prompt, setting up the files, basic structure, and starter code. When the project is ready, open it to enter the workspace. You'll see your file tree, the code editor, and the AI chat panel, so you can keep talking to the assistant as you iterate. Take a moment to read the generated files to understand how the app is organized. This context will help when you ask for changes or add features later. Use the preview or run pane to view your web app in action. Click run if needed and interact with the app to make sure it behaves as expected. As you test, note anything you'd like to improve. Copy, layout, colors, or functionality, and tell the AI exactly what to change. Keep your requests concise and actionable, such as adjusting a button style, adding a new route, or improving a form's validation. When you're happy with how the app looks and works, you can publish it. Click Publish to create a live shareable link. Publishing on Replit requires at least a core plan, so if you see a prompt about upgrading, that's normal. Without publishing, you can still run your app privately and keep iterating, and you'll always be able to come back and publish later when you're ready. If you want to keep refining the app, continue prompting the AI in the left panel with precise instructions. This iterative loop, preview, prompt, review, is the fastest way to polish your project. Finally, if you want to collaborate, click Invite to share the project with others. This lets teammates review, suggest changes, or contribute directly, making it easy to build together. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.